Introductions. I am Pravalika, currently a machine learning intern at Indian Servers. I am currently pursuing second year BTech at Narayana Engineering College, Nellore. I am here to present my travel blog, which was developed under the guidance of Mr. Satish sir, CEO of Indian Servers, President of Amos Society. Here we go with the contents. We will be discussing what is NLP, its tasks, its use cases, and the steps to create NLP model, its libraries, and its conclusion. So coming to what is NLP. NLP is a machine learning technology that gives computers the ability to interpret, manipulate, and comprehend human language. NLP helps computers communicate with humans in their own language and scales other language related tasks. It combined with statistical machine learning and deep learning models. Moving on to NLP tasks. NLP perform several tasks. Here are the main 5 tasks that are performed by using NLP. It includes part of speech tagging. It is also called as grammatical tagging. Here, the part of speech of a particular word or a piece of text is determined and is provided as output. Next comes word sense disambiguation. Here, the meaning of a word with multiple meanings makes the better recognition. Next comes named entity recognition. NER identifies the words or phrases as useful entities. Sentiment analysis. It attempts to extract the subjective qualities like attitudes, emotions, confusion from text. Natural language generation is sometimes described as the opposite, like speech to text. It performs the task in such a way, putting the structured information into human language. Moving on to the NLP use cases. Here it describes like how we are using this NLP techniques. There are several NLP pre-processing techniques which are used in the developing of an NLP model. Here the most important 5 use cases are listed here. The spam detection. The most spam detection technology uses NLP's text classification capabilities to scan emails for language that often indicates spam. They include like financial terms, bad grammar, or threatening language. Next comes machine translation. Google Translator is a best example of this NLP technology at work. Virtual agents and chatbots. Virtual agents like Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa use speech recognition to recognize the patterns in voice commands, and chatbots perform like some magic in response to the typed entries. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis in the social media performs a major role in analyzing the language used in social media posts, responses, or reviews. Text summarization. Text summarization uses NLP techniques to digest huge volumes of data and providing a shorted information which helps in the easy understanding. Now we discuss about the basic steps to create an NLP model. First, we will be collecting the data, that is from a data set which are available in the popular platforms like Kaggle or a Hugging Face or our own created data set. And the data is pre-processed using the pre-processing techniques like stemming, stop word removal, lemmatization, etc. Then the model is developed in the Google Colab or a Hugging Face, etc. And the model is assessed and the verified, and the model is finally deployed. The libraries here I have used in developing this are transformers, PyTelegram bot API, pandas, and datasets. The Natural Language Toolkit or NLTK is one of the most important libraries which are used in most of the developing NLP projects. Let's get into the code. Here, firstly I have installed the transformers by using the pip install command from the huggingface.co. Here the version of the transformer is 4.28.0. After completing of this installation, it gives the command like installing the collected packages, and it successfully installed the Hugging Face transformers. Next comes the data that I am using my NLP model connected with the Telegram chatbot for the better user experience. So I installed the Telegram bot API and the pandas, and from the transformers I have imported the GPT-2 LMH model, as I am fine-tuning my model with the GPT-2 and GPT-2 tokenizer fast to create the spaces between the words or tokens. From transformers, imported the trainer and training arguments to pre-train our NLP model. And then pip installing the dataset. Here I have created my own dataset, or else we can download the dataset from popular platforms like huggingface.co or kaggle.com. So downloading the dataset. Let's look at my own dataset. Here it consists of the columns like questions, answer, and the context and the title. So in my Telegram chatbot, whenever you give a question as a state or a district or a popular place, it returns with the answer from the dataset, like the tourism spots and the beauty of that particular place. So now let's move on to the code. So all the data sets I have given from here. So the sample.data, questions.csv consists of the questions, and the valid.csv consists of the answer for the respected questions. And this is the code which looks for the data processing and the loading and pre-training the GPT-2 model. Here the question and the answer are passed into the as pairs, and the data set gets loaded, and the model name is GPT-2 here, and I am giving the content paths like questions.csv and valid.csv to fetch the answer from the data set. And this is the code looks for training the model using the training class, and the model gets trained here. As you see here, the training is done here, and we are now saving the fine-tuned model here. So as fine-tuned travel block GPT-2, here it is saved here as fine-tuned travel block GPT-2. Now importing the telebot and replacing my API token which I get from the bot father by creating my own chatbot, and now importing telebot tokenizer, and this is the code which I am passing to the Telegram chatbot and getting the expected answer from the chatbot. And the welcome message is as follows: welcome to hodophiles blog and ask any query related for traveling. Now I am initiating the bot by using the command bot.polling. Now the command gets executed and our bot is ready to use. Let's see how the bot is responding. So I have given the /start command, and then it gives the welcome to hodophiles blog. So let's give some places. I have given here Delhi. It responded the places to visit, and then I'm giving now Bangalore. So it gave a message for the visiting in the Bangalore, Chennai. Next. Now I am giving Kerala. Let's get into the conclusion. I conclude that NLP is an artificial intelligence program that helps our chatbot analyze and understand the natural human language communicated to our customers. Here, the travel blog chatbot helps the hodophiles who loves traveling to explore the data here, which consists of the information of the traveling and the beauty of that particular place. Here, chatbots are very easy to understand than just using the information to communicate and respond to the queries. I extend my special thanks to Mr. Satish sir for creating this opportunity to develop such NLP models and presenting here. Thank you.